Just looking for a new iPad here. Something of another drawing screen. Uh, what? What? It floats.
Oh yes. They float, Josie. They float. And when you're down here with me, you float too!
Hello YouTube and welcome to another video. This is actually going to be a look at the new iPad 2020 with the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil, and wanted to see if this is something that can be used as a traditional laptop, or is this a hybrid in the middle type deal, and wanted to get my take on it a couple of months after using it. Here is the new 2020 iPad. Kind of nice. I never really had a Pro version before. I usually use standard iPads, so I figured I'd go with the Pro since I wanted to use this more for art. And this comes standard with 128 gigs of storage, so that's great. So good for recording video. This is the version 2 Apple Pencil. Nice design, real sleek. And this is the new 2020 Magic Keyboard. With that hinge design. Looks pretty nice. It'd have been nice if this could have actually laid flat or flipped all the way around. So let's get the iPad open and see what this is like. Apple making it easy with the pull tab design. I see they have this pretty much on everything. I actually had the pull tab design even to open the new Mac Pro, and almost everything they actually have these pull tabs to get the plastic off easy. Look at that slab. Just a blackish slab. It feels great from this point of view. Let's get the plastic off and see what it's really like. And that's really nice. Actually, got a nice little grit to the back, almost like holiday products. Don't really feel like I'm gonna drop it. That's that new camera with the LiDAR sensor on the back. Really nice screen, USB-C port on the back. They got those pogo pins to connect to the Magic Keyboard. It comes with some documentation here. Let's see that, and the traditional USB charging cable with the brick, which is nice. Let's give it some stickers in here. Everybody know they want them stickers. They go those stickers. And who cares about this stuff? But I'm gonna look at it anyway. Nice and colorful graphic. Really nice. So let's take a look at this Apple Pencil. I used to actually go to the Apple store and mess with this and look at another pull tab. Apple's really good about, making it convenient to get into their stuff. I used to go to the Apple store and mess with this thing all the time. It felt great. I knew I just had to get one of these. And being able to walk around and do your drawings rather than... I had a 21-inch Cintiq, and it wasn't like I could walk around with that. Here with that colorful documentation again. Really nice. Nice Apple fashion. And yeah, so let's take a look at this pencil now. See what this is like. Yeah, wow. Great feel. Just like I remember from the Apple store. Really nice. Pull tab on the pencil as well. Yeah, really feels comfortable in the hand, the whole. Really nice. Heavier than I thought. And last but not least, definitely not least, this thing is $350. I don't know if that's worth it, but we're about to find out. Really nice. The box is heavy. Another pull tab. See what this is. We know what it is, but let's check it. Okay, wow, that is heavy. I guess they needed to make it heavy like I saw in other YouTube videos to kind of balance the weight of the iPad. But yeah, that is really heavy. Definitely will add to the weight of the iPad. Not making the easiest to carry, but I mean, I can't complain. That is a really well built hinge. Yeah, that is really big. Doing some of the documentation, wonder if it comes with Apple stickers. I remember looking at a YouTube video. Nope, you're not getting it with this. Definitely asked out on the Apple stickers. I don't want to sound like an Apple fanboy because I'm not. I just get a lot of this Apple products because they work well with me being an artist. But man, is this really well built? I mean, that hinge feels premium. I mean, really nice keyboard. I really can't wait to start using this to see what it's like. I also thought I should get this iCares. It's actually a screen protector. Kind of adds a rough exterior to the surface of the iPad to kind of let it feel like you were drawing on it. Comes with quite a few things to apply it. Comes with two of the iCares, which is great in case you make a mistake or if you need to take off the other one. So it does come with a lot of stuff. I did prefer the paper-like, but unfortunately during the pandemic it was kind of hard to come by. But for the dollar to dollar, this one is actually pretty good. It does have a lot of color noise to it as compared to the paper-like too, but still does the job. Now let's see if this damn thing really could float. Oh,
You know what? It's true what they say. We all float down here, and you will too. In fact, they all float. They all float.
so yes, this is a nice feeling keyboard. The iPad is just as snappy as I heard on YouTube. Really fast response, great refresh rate on the screen. I did refer to the iPad as a laptop several times, and did have to correct myself, but that's how close it is. So this is my first time actually drawing on the iPad, but I wanted to test it and mess around, so I'm just messing around with a few shaders and colors to see how it feels. This is Procreate. Pretty much seemed like one of the better apps. I tried Photoshop and stuff like that, but just couldn't get used to it. This one actually feels great. Feels great to draw with the pencil and kind of move around with layers, messing around with the layers and stuff. So I was messing around with some of the airbrushes and trying to get used to some of the colors and fills, and wanted to play with a little realism here. And man, is this really nice, really good. Even making errors is a lot faster to recover from it than some of the other apps. And being able to move around and stop and draw whenever I feel like it. Like if you're sitting on a shitter even, like it's nice to actually bring the iPad with you rather than I couldn't even walk with the Cintiq anywhere. All in all, this is a great software to actually draw on. The iPad feels natural and great, especially with the cares. I wanted to get the paper-like, but still, it was kind of sold out during the pandemic. If you enjoyed this, remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.